everyone, welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, the concept of the invisible hand is associated with which economist? Option A, Karl Marx. Option B, Adam Smith. Option C, John Maynard Keynes. Option D, Milton Friedman. The correct answer is option B, Adam Smith. The invisible hand is a metaphor introduced by Adam Smith to describe self-regulating behavior in a free market economy. Next question is, the Great Fire of London occurred in which year? Option A, 1665. Option B, 1666. Option C, 1670. Option D, 1685. The correct answer is option B, 1666. The Great Fire of London occurred in 1666 and destroyed much of the city, including 87 churches and 13,000 houses. Next question is, who was the first African American woman to win the Nobel Prize in Literature? Option A, Maya Angelou. Option B, Zora Neale Hurston. Option C, Alice Walker. Option D, Toni Morrison. The correct answer is option D, Toni Morrison. Toni Morrison won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1993 for her work on African American culture and history. Next question is, the Venus de Milo is a famous statue from which civilization? Option A, Ancient Egypt. Option B, Ancient Greece. Option C, Ancient Rome. Option D, Ancient Mesopotamia. The correct answer is option B, Ancient Greece. The Venus de Milo is a famous ancient Greek statue believed to represent Aphrodite, the goddess of love. Next question is, the Black Death plague in the 14th century was caused by which bacterium? Option A, 𝗕cie 𝗂𝗧. Option B, 𝗕ciecie𝗂𝗿𝗀. Option C, Salmonella enterica. Option D, Vibrio cholerae. The correct answer is option A, 𝗕cie 𝗂𝗧. The Black Death, which killed millions in Europe, was caused by the bacterium 𝗕cie 𝗂𝗧, spread by fleas on rats. Next question is, which of the following countries does not have a military? Option A, Switzerland. Option B, Japan. Option C, Costa Rica. Option D, Singapore. The correct answer is option C, Costa Rica. Costa Rica abolished its military in 1949 and has since maintained a policy of neutrality. Next question is, the Dunkirk evacuation took place during which World War? Option A, World War II. Option B, World War I. Option C, Korean War. Option D, Vietnam War. The correct answer is option A, World War II. The Dunkirk evacuation took place in 1940 during World War II when Allied forces were evacuated from the beaches of Dunkirk, France. Next question is, who was the first emperor of Japan? Option A, Emperor Hirohito. Option B, Emperor Meiji. Option C, Emperor Taisho. Option D, Emperor Jimmu. The correct answer is option D, Emperor Jimmu. Emperor Jimmu, believed to have ascended the throne in 660 BCE, is considered the first emperor of Japan, according to Japanese mythology. Next question is, the Bay of Pigs invasion occurred in which country? Option A, Nicaragua. Option B, Cuba. Option C, Venezuela. Option D, Guatemala. The correct answer is option B, Cuba. The Bay of Pigs invasion was an unsuccessful attempt by Cuban exiles, supported by the US government, to overthrow Fidel Castro's government in Cuba in 1961. Last question is, the Gulf Stream is an ocean current. In which ocean? Option A, Atlantic Ocean. Option B, Indian Ocean. Option C, Pacific Ocean. Option D, Southern Ocean. The correct answer is option A, Atlantic Ocean. The Gulf Stream is a warm ocean current that flows from the Gulf of Mexico along the eastern coast of North America into the Atlantic Ocean. Now it's time for practice question. The Liberty Bell is located in which US city? Option A, Washington, D.C. Option B, New York. Option C, Philadelphia. Or option D, Boston. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.